it that we have the strangest things happen to us when we go on trips, even on an airplane. Apparently, there were two federal air marshals on board, along with a prisoner. And somewhere on this leg of the trip, he decided it would be a good idea to try to escape. Yeah, you're up in the air, but yeah, we're going to try to escape. Anyway, he jumped over some seats, scared passengers, and the air marshals apparently took him under control again. But not before passengers said, "Find us other seats. We're not staying back here with him." So they moved everybody about 5 rows forward, filling in empty seats to get them away from him. Yeah. How'd I find out? A lady came up to talk to me as we were in line for the bathrooms. You know, I would have been scared stiff if I had known that was going on behind me. Fortunately, I didn't.